Dear student, myself Ajay Gupta and welcome you in Physics Lecture 3rd. Friends, we have studied about some basic definitions of this chapter like as distance and displacement and velocity, speed, etc. Today we will study about the types of motion. There are two types of motion, uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion, when a body travels equal distance in equal interval of time, then the motion is said to be uniform motion. That means distance travel in equal interval with equal distance. That means suppose an object travel 2 meter distance in 5 seconds and another 2 meter distance is again 5 seconds and another 4 meter distance in 10 seconds. Then the motion of that object is said to be uniform motion. Now second, non-uniform motion, when a body travels unequal distance in equal interval of time, it is said to be non-uniform motion. The graph of uniform motion can be represented as this. This is a straight line for the uniform motion. For non-uniform motion, it can be this type of motion or this type or maybe this type. That means it's not a clear shape, not a fixed, and it's a zigzag type. Okay. Your next topic, acceleration. The rate of change of velocity of an object with respect to time is called acceleration, and it is a vector quantity. Again, the rate of change of velocity of an object with respect to time. It may be positive or negative. The negative acceleration is also known as retardation or deceleration. Its SI unit is meter per second square. Formula of acceleration, v minus u by delta t. It's called delta t. So v is the final velocity of the object, u is the initial velocity of the object, where delta t time interval. Now next topic, graphical representation of motion. This is the very important topic in this chapter. You must to know the graphical representation of the motion. Here first distance time graph, another is velocity time graph, etc. We will study in the next class, next lecture. So now we study about the graph of uniform motion. Let us suppose an object travel in t second or t time, it may be second or hour. At t1 time they travel s1 distance, so their time and distance graph can be represented to at this. Suppose this is t1 point. At this time the object at s1, so they draw perpendicular of this, and on the perpendicular this we find a point A. Again in time t2 they travel distance s2. It can be in meter or kilometer. So in that time t2 they travel s2 distance. When we plot them on the perpendicular on this, we get a point B. So we plot and we join the AB. This graph represents the uniform motion of the object. Similarly, non-uniform motion, suppose an object at time t1, their point is here, and in time t2 the point s2, and time t3 we get non-uniform in a zigzag type shape. This is the zigzag type shape. It may be this or any another type. The identification is the very simple. The uniform motion of graph is the find straight line graph, but non-uniform we get zigzag curve. To find the velocity of the object from the given graph, the formula is set s2 minus s1 by t2 minus c1. s2 minus s1 is the distance from A to B, and t2 minus c1 is the time interval from t2 minus t1. So I hope you understand to this. Now please note their homework. Write 2 examples of uniform and non-uniform motion to yourself. Learn and write all theory, definition and formula. Any other problem, you can contact me with this number. You can join me also on WhatsApp. Thank you so much.